as you break it.
My family lives out here, so we've just been soaking up lots of family time. It's been a good chance to catch our breath as far as like being able to sleep in a real bed, being able to stay clean,
relax, kind of take it easy and not have to drive 8 to 10 hours every day. It's like we get to just stay in one spot and get to be with family, so.
Yeah, and that being said, it's been a mixture of sitting and having some wine, but also my to-do list is so long.
I've been preparing for this weekend's show, so, you know, it is kind of a nice like break / vacation, but also just a good spot to be doing our work that we would normally be doing at a cafe or at a co-op somewhere. We get to do it just in our pajamas at home.
We really launched our YouTube channel for van and travel footage and all that.
Right now it's under the name Toad House Jones.
Name of our van.
Yeah, our van's called Toad, but we will eventually be changing our YouTube channel to Between These Corners. Our Instagram page is called Between These Corners, though.
Yeah.
And we've changed our name on YouTube so many times that they've restricted it. You have to change it every 90 days. So that'll be updated in a couple months.
You learn as you go.
We'll be doing the full van conversion this fall. Probably next episode after this one, we'll do an official van tour of the way she looks now.
Maybe probably.
Maybe probably.
Possibly definitely.
Probably. Possibly.
Probably not.
Probably possibly the next one. Or the one after that. But maybe the next one. And then we'll show the entire conversion and all the fun things that will go along with that, like ripping off the carpet. And some other really fancy things that we're excited about. So follow along with that if you're interested in watching our van conversion. We'll be posting weekly videos of that, along with just our travels. And
we're trying to get in the habit. No, there's no try, there's only do.
No try, there's only do. No try, there's only do. No try, there's only do.
Are getting more in the habit of videotaping our travels.
Yeah, this is all very new, so like we're getting used to it.
Yeah.
Trying to remember to bring the camera on all the places, all the things that we do and places we go.
Balancing that with being present and, taking in all the experiences that we're doing. We also forget to bring the camera a lot of the time.
We're getting better.
We're getting better.
Next video will be, doing the van tour / maybe we'll do some Colorado stuff because that's our next location after Chicago. We'll be headed to Colorado. Jake has a show in Fort Collins. I have a show in Denver. It'll be 4th of July, so there'll be some fun stuff coming up.
Shout out Hotel Hillcrest in Fort Collins. If anybody there sees this, can't wait to come play. It's a really fun venue.